wonderful.
Hello you guys, I'm Agima and welcome back to my channel. So as you all can see, I have no makeup on today. That is only because I'm going to do like a challenge kind of a video today, and it's called the doing only my half of the face. So I'm going to do makeup for only half of my face, and half of the face I'll leave it bare as it is. So it will be a fun challenge, I think so. So without any further ado, let's get on to the video. So I have prepped my skin and I'm going to go with the Maybelline foundation. And please ignore the background noise. It's very noisy today, I don't know why. So I have been meaning to do this challenge from a long time, but now that my birthday series is here, I thought why not to do it for my birthday series. Because to tell you guys, it's very difficult to like post back to back videos, and to shoot those videos and edit those videos, it's very time consuming task. So I just sit to edit my videos when I have time. Mostly I try to edit my videos in the morning or in the evening. Mostly I do it in the evening. So I am going to use this Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. Okay. As far as I know, I think I have like skipped 2 days. That is the 1st of March, and then I think it's on 9th March. I skipped 2 days. That is only because on 1st March I didn't upload any videos. That is because my video was not ready, and I had to like edit the video in a hurry for 2nd March. So I couldn't like upload the particular day. And I did had to like shoot many videos and edit them, so it was very difficult for me, because I have never posted back to back continuous without any break. So that is why I skipped 2 days. and then I didn't have a proper time to edit my video on the 9th March because I was busy doing some other work, and I applied a compact, and it's the Maybelline compact. So I am looking this way, I will be looking this way, or I will be looking downwards because I have mirror in one hand. Okay. So now we'll get on to the eyes, and I'm going to use this Revolution palette. I'm going to go with a basic eye because this is not a eye makeup tutorial or something, so that is why I'm going to go with simple eye. To forget that I'm applying on only one eye, one side. So now that I'm done with my eyeshadow, I'm going to go for the mascara. No, I will go with the eyeliner first and then the mascara. And I'm going to use this Lakme eyeliner, which is my favorite. So I tend to forget that I am doing only half side of my face. Okay, so I think I am very fast with this eyeliner today because it's only for one eye. Now I'm going to use this Maybelline mascara, and you know what, people are like hyping about this mascara, that mascara from for continuous 2 days. I was getting videos on YouTube for that Lash Paradise L'Oreal mascara thing. They say that it gives length to your eyelashes, but I think that most of the brands, those who are producing mascaras, they tend to give volume for your eyelashes. You just have to like build it up. And the mascara which I am using is by Maybelline, and I have used it for a very long time, so I know that this is a buildable mascara. I can build it up, and it really like gives you lengthy eyelashes, if you get my point. And it will not smudge. After it dries down, the mascara doesn't like smudge all over your eye. Okay, So look at my eyelashes, look at my this side eyelashes and this side eyelashes. So all the mascaras are like buildable ones. The next thing we are going to apply is blush, and I am going to use a basic pink eyeshadow from the Revolution palette. Okay, so next I am going to use is highlighter. I have got this in color baking highlighter, but I am not going to use it because it has a lot of fallout and I don't want any fallout for now. So I am going to use this shade for the highlighter, to use as a highlighter. Okay, so I'm going to, highlight my brow bone. I usually never do that, but I am feeling it today, so I am going to highlight my brow bone. Okay. And okay, look at that. Oh, okay. So the last thing which is left is lipstick, and oh my God, this will look very weird, but I have to do it. I know it looks weird, but I'm just happy with how it turned out. Okay, so let me just do my hair, and with my hair I have put on like a basic hair style for now, but that is fine. And this is how I look with half of the makeup on and without makeup. So comment down below which side do you like the most, the bare side or the makeup side. And that is it for today's video. I hope you liked my video, and if you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And also don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, follow Agima's Lifestyle and the Siva Style Store, and press on the bell icon so that you will all get notified every time I post a new video. And don't forget to check my website. I will give all the details in the description box, so please do check it out, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye.